Welcome back, folks. Today we have a quick video here on my favorite type of case lube. Well, everybody's favorite is of course the Imperial sizing wax, but aside from that, if I'm doing a whole bunch of cases that I'm going to be trimming or whatnot after that, my favorite is the alcohol and lanolin mixture that many people are familiar with. But if you're new, perhaps this is something you can try, and you'll have some good luck, hopefully, and save some money along the way as well. So the ingredients are very simple. It is alcohol or Isoheat, which is isopropyl alcohol. You need liquid lanolin, and you need a little spray bottle. You can find this at your car parts store or Walmart or whatever. It's like $3 or $4. You can get some lanolin. This was on Amazon. It might have been $10, but this stuff goes a very long way. I'm only down to here, and I've been using this for probably 2 years now. So this is definitely worth the money to get at least once, and it'll last you for a very long time. And lastly, you need a little spray bottle here, also from Amazon. I think it was a 3-pack for $10. So you have a little bit of money up front, but in the long run, you're gonna be able to use this for a very long time, do several thousand cases. The recipe is very simple: 10 parts alcohol, or 10 to 1, 10 parts alcohol, 1 part lanolin. Some people do 9 to 1 or 8 to 1. You can get away with 70% alcohol. You want the highest percent of alcohol you can find, because whatever isn't alcohol is either water or something else that you don't want to be sitting around in your dyes or on your brass after it's done. So you need the highest percent alcohol possible. The alcohol evaporates and the lanolin sticks onto the cases there. Pretty simple stuff. So 91's good, 99 is the best. If you can't get 99, Isoheat is a great alternative. So I'm just using the lanolin and the Isoheat today. And so we've already got about 1/10 of that in there. I'm gonna add 1/10 of the bottle's worth of lanolin to it. It's probably good for now. We can always add more later. Now we'll fill it up with our Isoheat. And I'll just go to here for now. So we're pretty heavy on the lanolin at this point. And we'll give it a nice shake. You can see the lanolin kind of sinks to the bottom. We have to shake this up to get it nice and mixed up in there, incorporated, if you will. So you can see this nice cloudy sort of mixture. That's what you're looking for. So let's hit our cases here and we'll give it a try. So we have our brass here on what would be our lube pad. Our lanolin, once again, give it a nice shake. Turn your spray bottle onto mist. And here we go. It just takes a little bit. You can see how it's kind of cloudy on the brass. Mix that up real good and let the alcohol evaporate. And now this case is very nicely lubricated, but we're gonna let the rest of that alcohol evaporate off. And this is one of the only chemicals on your bench that's actually good for your hands. Lanolin is a natural moisturizer, but there's other gross gunk and stuff on the cases, so you're still gonna wanna wash your hands afterwards, but it's not as harsh as some other stuff you're used to playing with. And now our alcohol has time to sufficiently evaporate. Our cases are lubed up. And simple as that, you're in business. All right, that's gonna do it for today, folks. That was just a quick video on my favorite case lubricant. It's super easy to make, fairly cheap to get started. Over time, it'll pay for itself. And there you go, that's my favorite way to lube up my cases. Anyways, if you enjoy this sort of content, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. We will see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one.